folks, Larry here. Welcome back to Larry's Mail Call today. Hey, I just got out of the shower again today, so I've been doing a lot of in the showers, get out and do a review because it's easier, faster, simpler, and that's all there is to it. Okay, so what I have here is one of my viewers has sent me a box of goodies, and I've said it before in a previous video that what's in this box will be going out to people that either are not familiar with fountain pens or kind of familiar with fountain pens, never heard of a fountain pen, seen a fountain pen, or they haven't used fountain pens in decades. So I'll kind of reconnect them with the love of fountain pens. I want to keep that love for fountain pens burning. I want to keep it going. I want to keep that thrive in their heart going. So that's the way I handle it. So I go to the library. That's my main place I go, libraries. And when Starbucks opens up, I do it at Starbucks as well. But it has to be when I'm ready, when I'm comfortable. Because, you know, the old troll virus is out and about. And yeah, I'm a little paranoid, but that's cool. That's my thing. So when I'm ready, I'll get out and do this. So that'd be cool. Now, for this person that sent it to me, they wish to stay anonymous. So I'll call them the ghost writer of the Pen Storm. How's that one? The other one was a ghost writer, wasn't it?
Yes.
This is the ghost writer of the Pen Storm. That's kind of cool. Kind of unique. Kind of me. Alright, so anyway, here it is. So let's get it open and see what's in here and in this box. So, and I'll tell you a little more about what's in here. We'll just open that little sucker up. And this one I get a little note. La 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 la. Alright. 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 Thank you, my friend. Thank you. And this helps a lot. It really does. You know, some people may do a Patreon or pen pal. I mean, a Patreon or PayPal, but not very often. There's just not a lot of that ever happen. So they usually send, you know, pens or notebooks or paper or inks, stuff like that, and which is helpful a lot. That way, I don't have to try to save and buy other pens to give away, which I already have some pens to give away. But let's get this out here right now. Wow. Okay. Wow. Here we go. Wow. Look at this one right here. Isn't that cool? That's a Sheaffer. Pretty cool, isn't it? Calligraphy pen. And then we've got, I'll let you see the honors on 1 and 2. That's a
Mnemosyne Singularity.
And then we have this one here.
FPR Ebonite Treveni.
And then we have the Pilot Metropolitan.
Another Mnemosyne Singularity.
And we have the FPR Muffet.
And a Platinum Preppy.
Oh, those are too awesome, yeah. There you go.
TWSBI Go.
That's a cool one. And another Platinum Preppy. So, I don't want to break these pens. All these pens, believe it or not, will find a home. And we do have some nibs here. What kind of nib that is. This is a Conklin. And this nib is a La La nib. Okay, I'm trying to read it through the... Well, that's going to do it, folks. So, thank you for joining me today on Mail Call Day. Be safe, wash those hands. As always, peace, love, take care. Bye-bye.